Hello there, and welcome to this next assignment. In this next assignment, you're going to be actually participating in a IELTS listening spelling test. As you know, on the IELTS listening, in most likely in section 1, they're going to sometimes ask you to either write a number that they say or to spell out a name that is said. And so what we're going to do here is really give you an opportunity to practice your spelling. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to read the name or say the number as they would on the exam. I'm going to give you a few seconds to write out the name, and then afterwards you'll see the answer right away, and then I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is IELTS listening spelling practice set number 1. Number 1. Could you please give me your phone number? Sure. My number is 219-442-9785. Okay, and there we have the answer right there. I hope you got that one correct. Let's move on to number 2. Yes, could you please tell me your last name? My last name is Cawley. Could you spell that, please? Sure. That's C-A-W-L-E-Y. Okay, and there's the answer right there. Now number 3. Yes, I'm having trouble spelling your first name. Could you please spell that out for me? Sure, my first name is Alexandria. That's A-L-E-X-A-N-D-R-I-A. Alexandria. Okay, number 4. Yes, sir. To fill out the form, I'll please need your last name. My last name is Worthington. Could you spell that, please? Sure. It's W-O-R-T-H-I-N-G-T-O-N. Worthington. Number 5. Could you please tell us again what city you live in? Sure, that's Palisades. Yes, would you mind spelling that? Absolutely. P-A-L-L-I-S-A-D-E-S. Palisades. Okay, number 6. Yes, I'll be happy to spell my last name. My name again is Grantingham. That's Grantingham. Grantingham. All right, good job. I hope this practice was really helpful for you. We're going to move on to the next set. Okay, IELTS listening spelling practice, set number 2. Number 7. Could you please spell your last name? Sure, that's Harry's. Harries. Harry's. Okay, now number 8. Sure, no problem. My last name is Kinchley. Could you please spell that? Sure, that's Kynchley. Kinchley. Number 9. Could you please tell me your instructor's name? Yes, his last name is Campbell. Would you spell that, please? Sure, that's Campbell. Number 10. Yes, in order to make that purchase, we're going to need your credit card number. Would you please give us your credit card number in sets of 4? Absolutely. My credit card number is 3303 4286 7734 5786. Okay, there's number 10. Now moving on to number 11. Would you please spell your mother's last name? Yes, her name is different than mine. Her last name is Lathrop. That's Lathrop. Lathrop. Number 12. Okay, one last piece of business. We're going to need your family name. Yes, my family name is Reimer. I don't want to make a mistake. Could you please spell that? Sure, that's Reimer. Okay, so I hope right now you're hitting 100% on your spelling of names and writing of numbers. We're going to move on to our last practice set, which is practice set number 3. Okay, IELTS listening spelling practice set number 3, number 13. Yes, to help you more, I'm going to need your account number. Would you please give that to us? Sure, my account number is 01674455329. Okay, number 14. Yes, my full name is Harold Smythe. Smythe, that's a little unusual for me. Would you mind spelling that, please? Yes, my last name is spelled Smythe. Okay, number 15. Yes, could you please tell us your last name? My last name is Bartholomew. Would you please spell that? Sure, that's Bartholommew. Bartholomew. Number 16. Okay, now to complete your account, we're going to need your phone number. Could you please let us know what that is? Sure, my phone number is 202-720-1061. All right, number 17. Yes, sir. To complete the form, we're going to need your name. My name is William Wormley. Could you please spell that last name? Sure. That's Wormley. Wormley. Yes, sir. Number 18. Number 18. Yes, sir. To complete your travel plans for the ticket, we're going to need your last name. Yes, my last name is Quigley. Wow, could you please spell that? Sure. That's Quigley. Quigley. Okay, thank you very much for participating in this IELTS listening spelling test. I hope that was really helpful in terms of your preparation. If you need to, you can take the test again after a few weeks and see how you do. Keep working hard, keep pushing yourself, and as always, I'm here to answer any question that you may have. Take care. Talk to you soon.